Today let's talk about metoprolol versus diltiazem for atrial fibrillation with rapid ventricular rate, systematic review and meta-analysis of adverse events. Intravenous diltiazem and metoprolol are commonly used to achieve rate control for atrial fibrillation with rapid ventricular rate and are both recommended as first-line by current guidelines. While prior studies investigated the efficacy of these medications, there is little evidence available regarding the risk of adverse events with their use. Coming to methods, we identified randomized controlled trials and observational studies reporting rates of adverse events following administration of intravenous diltiazem and metoprolol for atrial fibrillation with rapid ventricular rate by searching PubMed, Scopus, Embase, and Cochrane Library. Our primary outcome was the incidence of adverse events, and specifically hypotension and bradycardia, which were examined individually as secondary outcomes. We performed random effects meta-analysis to identify rates of each adverse events. We used moderator analysis and meta-regressions to evaluate risk factors. We used the Cochrane Risk of Bias to tool and the Newcastle-Ottawa scale to assess study quality. Coming to results, we reviewed 13 studies and included 1,660 patients, 888 treated with metoprolol and 772 with diltiazem. Metoprolol was associated with a 26% lower risk of adverse event, total incidence 10%, compared to diltiazem, total incidence 19%, with a prediction interval of 0.50 to 1.10. Patients with higher initial heart rates faced higher rates of adverse events. There was no difference with respect to rates of bradycardia or hypotension. In conclusion, atrial fibrillation with rapid ventricular rate treated with metoprolol had lower rates of adverse event, bradycardia and or hypotension compared to those treated with diltiazem. We found no difference in rates of hypotension or bradycardia when individually assessed. Existing data are limited by small sample sizes, variability in dosing, and limited representation of important patient subgroups.